most common problem experienced by dragon fruit farmers is fungal diseases. Fungus thrives during the rainy season. Wet and damp conditions make it perfect for the proliferation of various fungi. Regular applications of fungicide and appropriate fertiliser will protect your dragon fruit from fungal problems. Always remember, unhealthy plants are more susceptible to fungal diseases. Aside from fungus, other threats to dragon fruits are ants and other parasites. Regular weeding and plant maintenance will minimise any problems in the future. Dragon fruit benefit from the planting of flowers and other plants to attract useful insects that will protect your farm from harmful pests. Watering and pruning of unwanted stem growth will help the plants to produce more shoots. Well-nourished plants will provide a good harvest that will make you a happy dragon fruit farmer. There is no substitute in proper maintenance and continuous learning in farming.